What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm Tiffany Williams. glitz&glambytiff.com is my blog, and this is going to be kind of a quick video. I just wanted to talk about some makeup products and things that I've been using lately and something new that's about to launch. By the time this video comes out, it'll already be out, but I had got something in PR that I wanted to talk about, so I just thought it was a good time since I have makeup on. I was creating some content today. To just kind of chat about makeup and like stuff that I've been using. One thing I want to talk about is my lip combo that I've been doing lately. I feel like I kind of want to start sharing more of these because I feel like every time I do like a different, which I feel like usually my lip combos are not that much different, to be honest. Like I like kind of like a mauvey pinky nude, or just like a brown kind of shade, or like my natural like kind of lip tone sort of, but like a little bit deeper. That's usually my go-to. But something I've been loving to do lately is mix like two lip liners together, and then I've been using the Dibs Jam Jam lip colors, and I've been just doing like this as a combo. So I'm going to show y'all what I do and like how I do it, because I don't know, I think it's like cool and interesting and maybe some inspo. So no, that's why I want to share it. But anyway, I have this Lip Lab liner. Yes, Lip Lab lip liner in the color, what color is this? Modern Mocha. Let me see if I can show y'all that or not. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, the color is Modern Mocha. I used to work at Lip Lab, so I have like a ton of their like lip pencils and all kinds of stuff. So I'll go in, which I have my mirror right here, so I can draw on the lip. So I'll do this first, and I'll just do like the outline. Which, let me just zoom y'all in so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So yeah, I literally just do the outline of my lip, which I have some liner on from earlier today, but I was eating. So I wiped most of it off. So I feel like this brown is like brown, but like kind of purpley in a way. I don't know if you can see that or you can tell. On me anyway. So it's not like a true brown, but it's nice. So that's step one. And then I take this color from Bodyography. This is also a lip liner pencil, and it's in the color Timber, and it looks like, I don't know if you can see that, it looks like that. It's like a pinky, let me see, let me just like draw on my hand right quick. So yeah, it's like a kind of pinky color, like mauve sort of. So then I'll put that here, and I'll just fill in my lips just to kind of give it some color in the middle. And kind of mix them two together. I definitely need to sharpen this pencil, but I just don't even have time to be bothered right now. So yeah, I'll smudge them together like that, and then onto the gloss. So I have these two colors. Well, I got a few colors from the Dibs Jam Jam lip plumping lipstick melts. I have a couple of the colors. So I have Fig Fantasy and I have First Date. These two have been my go-tos lately. And what is this? First Date, the writing is so small and I'm like, so First Date, like as you can see, is kind of like a brownie shade, basically. So I've been wearing that kind of by itself, or I'll mix the two together. And then Fig Fantasy is like a pinky kind of mauvey tone. So what I've been doing is kind of just like putting on the pinky shade like in the middle. And then I'll do the brown. The brownish color on the outside, and it gives a nice glossy like finish. I feel like the light is blocking me, giving me a shadow, but yeah. And then I'll just wear it like that. And if I want to put like a little bit, sometimes I'll put a little bit more like brown liner on the outside, or I'll just like leave it like this because like the colors kind of start to melt together. And also like these Jam Jam lip plumping lipsticks, they last for a pretty good amount of time. So like I have gloss on pretty much, because I was shooting content. I had gloss on the entire time, and it was like a couple of hours, and then I wiped it off to eat. But still, like with the liner, I feel like it gives it like a darker, deeper color. So I kind of like that. So yeah, I've been using these a lot, and this has been like my lip combo go-to for the last, I would say, a couple of weeks or so. Just because I haven't had these for that long, and I've just been like testing out like how I like to do like my lip combos and lip colors and stuff. But other than that, I feel like the First Date one, I like this one by itself a lot. I'll just like wear it on its own. But to me, just because like I don't like a bright pink, this is a little bit too pink for me. The Fig Fantasy, so I like mixing them together, and it kind of gives like a nice color that I like. So yeah, I wanted to share that. And then also, hold on, let me back up just a little bit. Dibs came out with a new setting spray. So this is, let me see. This is the bottle. It's called the Love Beam Setting Spray, and has a little noise in it. But I used this today, and as you can see, like my face, like I blotted my face just a little bit because like in my T-zone, like my nose and stuff, I always get like pretty shiny. But like my makeup hasn't moved, and it also has like a nice mist, which I'll show you. Let me like move my hair back so I can show you how it sprays. So yeah, this is the bottle, like I said, and then it has a nice sprayer to it, and it mists really nicely. Like it's like a nice like subtle mist. Like it's not like a big like at you in the face. It's nice. So I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, it looks like that. And when it dries, I feel like it gives like a like flawless kind of finish. Like it's pretty cool, and it has like a light like subtle scent, but it's like lovely. I don't know how to explain it, but let's see, I have a card so I can tell y'all about it and give a little bit more information. So this launches March the 12th, and it's a blurring and balancing face and body setting spray. Oh, that's cool. It's for setting spray, blurs, balances, hydrates, preps, and sets all in one spritz. It's cruelty free, clean, and vegan formula. Has skincare boost, is skincare boosted with alkaline water, kombucha extract, snow mushroom peptides, and goji berry. And yeah, I feel like it has like really good ingredients in it because, like I said, my skin feels pretty hydrated and like not dry. Because I feel like some setting sprays, or like even with setting spray and powder combo together, like it can be kind of drying and like cracking on the skin. I don't know if that makes sense. Even though like I have oily skin, sometimes like I feel like other setting sprays or like some things that I've used, like it kind of makes my skin a little patchy, which isn't very nice. So I've just been loving Dibs products just because like they are cruelty free and they have like, they're more like skincare ingredients and they have things that are nice for the skin. So super excited because I'm on their PR list now and I've been getting different things and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I've loved them for a long time, like ever since like I heard about their statistics and like bronzers and like their glow type of like products. It's definitely been like a top fave. But yeah, just wanted to share lip combo and the setting spray with y'all. And I'll put information down below on the setting spray and like put links and things so you can check them out for yourselves. And then I'll share the lip liners so you can find those as well. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Like I said, it's gonna be not that long, like not a long video. I want to do something just like super quick, but I do have other videos on the way. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you love what you've been seeing lately, or if you have like suggestions or things that maybe I've done before that maybe I haven't done in a while, or things that you want me to chat about. Definitely leave that in the comments below. And yeah, subscribe, tell a friend, share it, and I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.